Hi traders, welcome to TradersHub Ninja. Today we are going to learn the 3 white soldiers candlesticks pattern. The 3 white soldiers pattern is the bullish candlesticks pattern. It appears in a downtrend and suggests a potential reversal to an uptrend. This pattern consists of 3 consecutive long bullish candles with small or no shadows. This pattern is considered a signal that bearish trend may be losing strength, buyers are gaining control. Look at the image. Previously it was a downtrend. At the end of the downtrend, 3 white soldiers candles will be formed in a real market. It was a bullish reversal candlesticks pattern. 3 white soldier is a bullish reversal candlesticks pattern. It was formed at the end of a downtrend. Look at the 3 bullish candles, 3 bullish continuation candles. First candle is a bullish candle. Next candle is also a bullish candle. The second candle is closed above the first candle high price. And the third candle is closed above the second candle high price. This 3 candle is called a 3 white soldiers candle. This is the bullish reversal candlesticks. Looking at the chart, a particular price level acted as a support, marked as the bottom line, while another price level served as a resistance, indicated by a top line. As the market approaches the same support level, we may observe a 3 white soldiers candlesticks pattern. You have got it. The 3 white soldiers candlesticks pattern typically signifies a bullish reversal in the market. When this pattern forms after a downtrend, it often indicates a potential trend reversal into an uptrend. This shift into a pattern suggests a change from a bearish sentiment to a more bullish one in the market movement. Looking at the chart, this one is a Chef JPY 4-hour chart. Look at this level. This particular price level was acted as a resistance. Lot of sellers are entering to this level. Sellers are aggressively entering to this level. So market was acted as a resistance in this level. Look at this particular candle. Already we discussed about the previous classes. This one is a bearish Marbushu candle. Bearish Marbushu candle will be formed in a proper resistance level. Downtrend will be strong. Look here. Lot of sellers are entering to this level. Market was coming down. High volatility will be happen in the market. Look here. Same price level was acted as a resistance here. What will be happen to this level? Here market was acted as a support. Buyers are aggressively entering to this level. When same price level was acted as a resistance here, market was coming to the same price level. Resistance turned into support here. So buyers are aggressively entering to this level. Market will go high. After, what will be happen? Market will go high. Lot of buyers are aggressively entering to this level. Look here. Market was approaches the same support level. Market was approaches the same support level here. What will be happen? Market was approaches the same support level. We may observe a 3 white soldiers candlesticks pattern. We have got a 3 white soldiers candlesticks pattern. Typically signifies a bullish reversal in the market. It often indicates a potential trend reversal into uptrend. This shift in the pattern suggests a change from a bearish sentiment to more bullish one in the market movement. How to identify this particular 3 candle pattern is the 3 white soldiers. Look at the first candle. First candle is a bullish candle. The next candle is also a bullish candle. The second candle is close above the first candle high price, and the same third candle is close above the second candle high price. This 3 white soldiers candlesticks pattern is a bullish reversal candlesticks pattern. So we are ready to take a buy entry. Market will go high. This is a way to approach 3 white soldiers candlesticks pattern. In this video, we learned 3 white soldiers candlesticks pattern. In the next video, we will learn a new topic. Please subscribe to our channel and continue supporting us for more videos. Thank you for watching the video.